When Amber Heard filed for divorce from Johnny Depp in 2016, she requested he pays her spousal support of $50,000 a month and her legal bills. Part of the requirement for the request was that she had to reveal her financial situation and records provided by her legal team, which did not bode well for the actress. While Depp's fortune at the time was estimated to be worth $400 million, Amber's finances showed a dim picture. At the time, she was estimated to be earning around $10,000 per month, but her basic expenses were approximately $44,000 per month. This promoted the thought that the actress had the sole motive to extort money from the Fantastic Beasts star, and surprisingly, even to this day, she still hasn't given up on her dream to fleece Depp dry of his fortune. So is Amber really trying to make money from Depp with all these dramas? Let's find out. In the $50 million defamation case against his ex-wife, Depp's accountant and business manager, Edward White, testified about the costs of the couple's divorce. White said Amber initially requested a divorce settlement of $4 million, but this increased to around $14 million. He said around $6.8 million was paid to the actress directly over the course of 2017 and 2018. Depp alleged he paid Amber all her money in a timely manner. He also claimed her op-ed published by the Washington Post in 2018, in which she wrote that she was a victim of domestic abuse, has negatively affected his career and resulted in him being isolated by Hollywood. Eagle-eyed fans now believe that the actress is still draining money from Johnny Depp. Why? Well, for starters, the actress stayed in a luxury $22,500 a month Virginia mansion during her blockbuster defamation trial. Despite forking over for the 13,000 square foot home throughout the trial, the 36-year-old says she can't afford to pay the more than $8 million she owes her ex-husband after a jury ruled she defamed him. This has left the public with more questions than answers. How on earth did she manage to pay that much in rent if she's broke? Again, your guess is as good as mine. Amber's attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, recently announced the actress absolutely cannot afford to pay the damages and said she intends to appeal the verdict. Despite her representation's claims of financial woes, the London Fields actress hunkered down in the lap of luxury with her family while the trial played out. The actress reportedly rented out a 13,000 square foot mansion in McLean, Virginia, a leafy DC suburb and a 25-minute drive from the Fairfax County Courthouse, where her trial played out over 6 weeks. The house sits on an acre of land and sports a tennis court, a home movie theater, 8 bedrooms, and a pair of sweeping staircases in the entryway. A listing for the property describes it as one of the most distinctive and private estates offered in McLean, and gushes about a 2-story grand foyer with an elegant double-curved staircase, a true wow and dream for entertainers. Witnesses reportedly said Amber was seen at the home together with her sister Whitney and her daughter Una Page. Her security was also seen at the property. Insiders now believe that Depp was the one footing all the bills in one way or the other. But that doesn't come as a shocker considering the insane demands Amber made when the two Hollywood stars split. In the documents filed by Amber's legal team, records show she was spending around $120,000 a year on rent. The once-off amount was listed as one of the most expensive things the actress had to pay per month, and documents said it was a basic expense. In the detailed breakdown of her finances, Amber told the court she spent around $5,000 a month on entertainment and gifts. Details around the amount were not provided at the time, but the spending raised alarm bells, given she was only estimated to be earning $10,000. Her legal team noted she also spent $60,000 a year on luxury holidays. The Justice League star also claimed to spend up to $2,000 a month on clothes, bringing the total yearly amount to $24,000. Although she has previously been the ambassador for brands including Guess and L'Oreal Paris, not everything is for free. The curved screen star is known for wearing designer outfits, and added to her expenses would be the fees for the stylist, hairstylist, and makeup stylist she would need for events to get her red carpet ready. And her eating habits aren't left behind in the spending spree. Court documents revealed Amber spent $2,000 per month on eating out. The actress also claimed to spend an additional $2,000 on groceries per month. Another $3,000 a month was attributed to healthcare, although details on the nature of this cost were unclear. Also listed under her financial records were amounts for pet supplies, plus fees owed to her public relations officer and her lawyer for the divorce proceedings. Us Weekly reported that in 2015, the actress made around $260,000, but after expenses, she only brought home about $51,000. Her spending nature is what made people around Depp call her a gold digger. To justify their claims, in her demand letter following her obtaining a restraining order to bar Depp from seeing her, Amber asked her fellow A-lister for money, an apartment, and the use of a specific black Range Rover. Her lawyer assured Depp's lawyer that his soon-to-be ex-wife wanted to do everything possible to keep the personal matter out of the media spotlight, and that Amber wishes to work quickly towards a private and amicable resolution of all matters. But the lawyer added that Amber would need Johnny's immediate cooperation to do so, or else she would have no alternative but to arrange for the actor to be personally served with divorce papers. And then the lawyer named a public place where Depp might be served, such as at a film premiere. It goes without saying that this was blackmail. She wanted Depp's money and she wanted it fast. Learning all this, do you agree that Amber Heard married Depp for monetary benefits? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't get to miss any of them.